All right, this is Mr. Barr. We're going to talk about relations and functions, writing a rule for a function table. A function. A function turns an input value, something going into it, into an output value using math operations. So it might turns an x into a y, it turns an x into an f of x. So we put something in, we get something out. And we've seen that in class. I did some ideas with these boxes, right? These number machines. That if in goes a 2, out comes a 4, in goes an 8, out comes a 16. And what's going on? What's making that happen? What's changing the input into the output? So let's take a look at some of these. And what we're trying to accomplish here is by looking at this table of values, can we figure out what's going on with it? What's going on here? I put in a 1 and out comes a 12. I put in a 2 and out comes a 24. I put in a 3 and out comes a 36. What's happening? Well, 2 times 12 is 24. 3 times 12 is 36. So this is 12x, because if I put in a 0, out comes a 0. If I put in a 1, out comes a 12. If I put in a 2, out comes a 24. If I put in a 3, out comes a 36. So this is 12x. This is the function that makes that table exist or happen. See, if I put in a 1, out comes a 14. If I put in a 2, out comes a 15. If I put in a 3, out comes 16. Well, this is just x plus 13. X is 3, out comes the 16. X plus 13. I like these because they're little puzzles. A lot of math is just a bunch of little puzzles. I like little puzzles. And one final one. Now these are negatives. They're a little bit hard to see, but there are negatives on each of these. What function makes this happen? If I put in a 1, out comes a -4. Is that maybe, what, 1 times -4? Is that working? 2 times -4, 3 times -4, 4 times -4, x times -4, or -4x. There it is. That's the function that makes this table happen. All right, that's it. And I think that's it for this kind of topic on functions. Okay, bye-bye.